In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Apps. Then you need to select Cloned Apps and click on plus icon next to an app that you wish to clone. Then wait, and when it's ready, go back to check it out. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on bin icon right next to your app. So Apps, Cloned App, and this bin. Last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!